Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your orders on eBay. So, head over to your browser and go to ebay.com. Then log in. Logging in is important because this gives you access to your purchase history, which is where all your tracking information is stored. Once you're in the home page, go to the top right corner and hover over My eBay. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Purchase History. This page serves as your personal order archive, where all of your past and current purchases are organized. Once you're inside the purchase history, you'll see a list of all of the items you recently ordered. So for example, you have multiple items here, still in the middle of delivery. Each item will show a thumbnail image, order details, and delivery status. Find the item that you want to track. Under that item, look for Track Package or see Tracking Details. Click it. This opens the tracking page where you'll see the carrier, last scanned location, current status, estimated delivery date, delivery progress timeline. Keep in mind, this update depends on the shipping carrier, so sometimes information may update with a delay. You can revisit this tracking page anytime by returning to your purchase history. This is helpful if you're eagerly waiting for a package, checking delays, confirming delivery times, and monitoring multiple orders. And that's it. You now know exactly how to track your orders on eBay. This simple process helps you stay updated on where your package currently is, when it's arriving, and any movements or delays along the way. You can check tracking as often as you want for peace of mind. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.